Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss trading sessions and active currency pairs. Which currency pairs are the most active during each trading session? So now, let's understand one by one. Sydney session. During the Sydney session, the Australian and New Zealand markets are the most active. That's why currency pairs involving the Australian dollar, AUD, and the New Zealand dollar, NZD, usually show good activity during this time. For example, AUD/USD, NZD/USD, AUD/JPY, NZD/JPY. However, liquidity is still relatively low, so large breakouts are less common during this session. Tokyo session. During the Tokyo session, the Japanese market is open. That's why currency pairs involving the Japanese yen, JPY, are the most active during the session. For example, USD/JPY EUR/JPY GBP/JPY AUD/JPY. If any major economic news is released from Japan, these pairs can experience strong volatility. London session. The London session is considered the most important session in the Forex market. During this time, the European market is fully active. That's why currency pairs involving the Euro, EUR, and the British Pound, GBP, show the strongest movement. For example, EUR/USD, GBP/US, EUR/GBP, GBP/JPY. This is the time when liquidity increases and strong trends begin to form. New York session. During the New York session, the American market is open. At this time, almost all major currency pairs involving the US dollar, USD, show strong movement. For example, EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/CAD, USD/CHF, USD/JPY. If any high-impact news is released from America, the market can make a very strong move within just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.